Hi there everyone, today we are just looking at reciprocals. Alright, so reciprocals of fractions we'll start with. Reciprocal is not a difficult concept to kind of take on board. It's literally you take a fraction and you flip it upside down. Alright, and even if it's a whole number, you still do the same. So reciprocal number is the number you would need to multiply it to basically get 1. Alright, so that is really what it's talking about, but also ultimately the best way of looking at it is if I've got a fraction, then reciprocal is found by just swapping the denominator and the numerator. Alright, so find the reciprocal of 2/5, we'll literally flip it upside down, the reciprocal will be 5/2. Alright, very, very straightforward. Okay, or 2.5 if you want to do it that way. The reciprocal of a half, again, same kind of thing, we'll flip it upside down, this will be 2/1, which of course is just 2. If you have a mixed number, then I guess the issue with that is then you have to turn it to the top of a fraction first. So if you're not sure about that one, then please look at our lessons about converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. But that is going to give me 7/5 when I convert it. So the reciprocal is going to be 5/7. All right, so that is the reciprocal of a fraction. If you'd have to do a decimal, well, actually the reality here is this is about converting decimals to a fraction, because it's going to make your life a lot easier to work with. So if I said 0.2, that's like 2/10. All right, so if I flip that upside down, then that's going to give me 10/2, which of course is 5. All right, so decimals, not particularly good to work with, but you could, and I have seen it, you're asked to work like a reciprocal of decimal, so they're testing your skills of being able to convert it to a fraction and then of course swap it over. Well, 0.32, two ways you could do this. You probably want to do 32/100. You're then looking at potentially simplifying it first. I would be tempted to kind of do that, but if not, then you're just going to flip it upside down, and then you're going to look to convert it to a mixed number. All right, so they've simplified it here at this point, so 25/8, and then how many 8s go into 25? Well, it's 3 and 1 left, isn't it? All right, so 3 1/8. All right, so 2.24, same kind of idea. So it's going to be 224/100. Which is going to be 100/224, which I guess you then look to simplify, cancel it down, which would be 25/56 as a simplified version. Of course, that doesn't simplify any further than that. All right, so reciprocals of fractions and decimals, well, if you're a decimal, really convert it to a fraction anyway, and then you're looking to flip it upside down and always leave your answer as a mixed number if required. Okay, so by all means, get yourself onto the maths-school.co.uk website, where there are obviously some practice questions for you to have a go at, and obviously you can revisit the video to remind yourself if you need to. Thanks for watching.